Bwega sana mutegeri gweta na mbere kurumira nteto cietu tugicokera rwangi rwa kurwana mbogita janthigurune Nacada ni rugwetete MIRAA ta mbogita na kuga nio ithatu kiri gutumika na wingi janthigurune NCOOBI ni gwetija yetongerete ndi uthigara ikanyukia namba ijire MIRAA ikathingatira riu BANGI akiaririe onto bobu mutongirwa Nacada Victor Okioma augita bageta na mbere kugweta MIRAA ta mbogita ni onto bo into biria bithagiro birindene yayo. Okioma nongerete na kuga nibakumeneria kumendia na WAANDI na urimi bwa MIRAA amwe na kinya kumendia ome ya nthiguru ya Kenya nonto ni mbogita. Anthony Kathenya na akunikithia.
Kulingana na usonkuni bwanke amekorwa na ndawa ja mbogita ila ijikeneta Nacada MIRAA muna muguka ni akathatu kirinda wa ja mbogita ilitumagirwa kwa wingi a Kenya. NCOOBI ya mbere ithingatitwe no utumiri bwa mbaki na yake nili BANGI ila Nacada kugweta ni kwithiritwe kwina wongereku bwa utumiri bwayo kiri mwana. Kulingana na usonkoni bobo ntere Eastern ni KUMERA na muguka itumagirwa kwa wingi ithingatitwe ni Northeastern amuna county ya Nairobi.
What is clear from this survey is that we have a problem in the country of drug abuse. And we need a very concerted campaign to reverse the kind of emerging trends we are seeing. One of the most worrying trends we are seeing is that many young people are being initiated into drug use. And we have said that online sale of alcohol and drugs is becoming a big challenge that is contributing, of course, to this young population that is indulging in drug abuse.
Aidha gwikirwa kwa MIRAA ta imwe ndawa ja mbogita ni kinyume na urigiro bwa ndi bakimera giki barabethiri to kagita kanene bakinyire MIRAA banua na ndawa ino ja mbogita.
From Nacada's perspective, MIRAA is actually a drug and is responsible for several what you will call substance use disorders. There are people that you can find in rehabs who have been taking MIRAA, and especially the type called muguka is currently the most problematic of the MIRAA strains.
Kulingana na CEO wa Nacada Victor Okioma benaitumika thomba bila bitumite bathi na mbele kuinjilia ati MIRAA nemwe ya into bila Kenya babatelie kwebani na bio.
Why are we refusing to remove it from the list of drugs? For the simple reason that from our studies, MIRAA is associated to our products like cathinone and cathine. These are the products, if you went to the law, the Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act, you will find those two components are actually listed there as harmful substances, and they actually are controlled. We also belong to the Commission on Narcotic Drugs, with the UN agency that deals with the issues of drugs. And as members of that, we have also committed to actually customize that into our Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act. So MIRAA is a substance that is harmful, and the message is that as any other, MIRAA is harmful, and muguka is even more harmful.
Kulingana na CEO wa Nacada ni bakwinyiri na unene gutigethirwe kwina wongere kubwa thokia MIRAA hamwe na kuthonde kwa into ira jumenite na KIMERA giki ta juice amwe na wine.
We are discouraging expansion of markets for MIRAA because it's harmful. And there are people who are actually trying to look for standards for manufacture of wine and other juices from MIRAA, and we have refused. We have said this one is actually having harmful constituents. So unless they have found a way of removing those constituents, we will not, as Nacada, support the legalization of MIRAA as something that can be sold to or consumed by wananchi. As we will tell you the facts, and you will make a decision yourself.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, rangi wa Kathenya.